This it's a video from last year when I talk about my beauty trash empties. What's good, what's bad, will I repurchase or not? Now, after 12 months, let's see if my opinion is the same or did it change. This is a list of all the items which I was talking about, but also I'm gonna be inserting pictures so you know what I'm talking about. First one is the Dr. Schultz foot mask boots, and yes, I did repurchase and use it. Nice product. I do like that foot mask. It has a form of like a socks which you put it on, and then after a few days your dead skin is gonna be peeling off, revealing the fresh one. The next one was the Soap and Glory hydrogel patches, and yes, I do have couple extras. Why? Because most of the time they come in their sets, so I have few more to go. We're gonna follow with Jaya mask, and it was the rose butter, goat milk, marine alg, and the honey mask. I still have some in my stash because they come in a pack of 10, and now I didn't get a chance to use them all, but yes, I do have my backups. REPURCHASE SERUM, which is a toner in a form of a spray with zinc in it, so it's a perfect for breakouts. I did enjoy the product. Unfortunately, I cannot buy it here, so I will have to wait in order for me to repurchase. This one is L'Oreal 5% glycolic acid. It's not a bad product, however, L'Oreal, it's up in the price, so unless you can buy it on sale, like buy one, get one half off, and use coupons, guess what? It's kind of expensive. And currently in my backup stash, I have the Pixie Glow Tonic, also with 5%, and this one you can easily buy in a big bottle, this size, a smaller one. I have this one in the past and I did like it, so no, I'm not gonna repurchase the one from L'Oreal. We're gonna follow up with Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum, and that one, it's okay, it has a scent, has a form of like a lotion. However, it's not my favorite. I prefer this one, the one which has bubbles inside. Unfortunately, you cannot really buy this one anymore, so I'm gonna move over towards something else. We have what? Indeed Lab Q10 serum. So similarly as with the Neutrogena, I cannot buy it. However, I do want to try, or should say go back to the one from Timeless, because they do have Q10 serum, but currently I have one from Nivea. That's their double serum. This is my repurchase. It has a nice milky consistency. I did enjoy the product, so definitely I'm gonna give it a go. Changing the subject, it will be the Burt's Bees hand cream. I bought that one in a trio. It was one of the Christmas sets when you have 3 items. So you have hand cream which smells like oranges, lavender and rosemary. So in that video I'm showing you the rosemary. Will I repurchase? Not really, but if I have to, I'd rather go for the orange scented, and I'm gonna show you why I'm not gonna repurchase, and it's because those are my, I just dropped something. Those are my current hand cream backup stash items, so now I don't need a hand cream for a while. Okay, about hand cream was the O'Keefe's hand cream, which I use for years, comes in a small, bigger package, also in a pads, so that's which I currently have. And yes, as you can tell, I use it. Also, they have a bigger one. This is one of those items which works and you cannot really go wrong with. Next one was the Pacifica Rose Kombucha face wash. As a face wash, it wasn't bad. It did foam, even remove makeup. However, the scent was so powerful that could really, it was really scented. So that's one thing which I wish they will change it, but no, I'm not gonna rebuy. We're gonna go back to the Indeed Lab, and that was the 10 balm. And yes, I do have 2 backups. This is like I can compare this to CeraVe, which is like a simple item or product, but it does work. 10 bar because it has 10 good ingredients, 10 good skin, 10 ingredients which are good for your skin. What was next? Origins mushroom toner. Yes, that was a nice item. I think I'm showing you a sample, but I did have the big size in the past, and it's one of those items which I don't mind rebuying, but not at the moment because I'm trying to finish toners which I have. But yes, I see myself, but however, I do see myself rebuying that one in the future. Estee Lauder face cream. One was the Dayware, the second was the Revitalizing. Dayware, it's nice where you are not really picky about your, let's say, yeah, skincare or your cream. However, as we age, your skin needs change. So at this point, I will not rebuy a Dayware unless, I don't know, maybe it comes in a kind of a set or a gift set or a free gift, then yes. If they give, let's say, if I receive it, yeah, I'm gonna use it. But otherwise, no, I'm not gonna rebuy it. And next one was the Revitalizing Supreme, which is on like a higher shelf. It's more richer. And that's my repurchase. So yes, I did rebuy it. Revitalizing Supreme Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. It's one of those things which you're gonna like it. You're gonna like it, the results, what it does to your skin, but not to your wallet. So most of the time I'm buying them where there are either in a set or maybe there's a promotion and there's like, if you spend so much, we're gonna give you free gift. If you spend so much more, you're getting this. But if you spend 120 or something, let's say you can choose if you want this item or that one. So I think that's how I end up with this product. And sticking out with the ANR, we have the ANR for the eyes and ANR for the face. ANR for the face, I use it for years, it's one of my staples, so obviously I'm gonna rebuy it. However, I still have few samples left, so I'm gonna go through them and also use them while I travel. But yes, I do have my brown bottle backups, and that's the ANR for the eyes, Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharge Complex. So yes, I do have it. I should say I did repurchase. Indeed Lab Collagen Serum. I use it, I really see too much difference because it has a milky consistency. I was layering it during my nighttime routine, but no, I'm not gonna rebuy it. Number 7 Vitamin C Serum. I'm showing you an old package because since then they repackage, and that's the way how it comes with a pipette, and it's a stable vitamin C. So no, it's not gonna change the color. And yes, I did repurchase more than once, and those are my two recent repurchases. I should say buys because they were on sale. So it cost me like $12 per bottle. So you couldn't really beat the price. So yes, I did rebuy it again. Lancome eye cream. I did like it because it was heavy in a texture. It was hydrating, but no, I'm not gonna repurchase because it's expensive. Aqua for lip balm. Yes, I did repurchase. So in here I have two of my empties. Okay, you know what? Let me just bring it back. So those are two of my empties. That's the one which I currently have in my bathroom, and I have one more in a car. It's one of those things which works and you cannot really go wrong with. Says immediate relief for dry lips. And moving on, we got Aqua for lip balm, Clarins toner. And that was a small sample. I used it up, but no, it wasn't my favorite. And similarly as with the toner, and similarly as the one from Origins, first I want to finish what I have before I'm gonna buy some new things. Then we have Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. I did like it. Why? Because it works, it's easily accessible, and it's not cheap. Yes, I did like that one because it works, it's easily accessible and affordable. Did I buy it? No, and Did I rebuy it? No. And why? Because those are my current setting sprays, how you call it? And no, I didn't rebuy it because those are my recent setting spray. And if you watch my plan to pan video, right now I'm using the one from Maybelline. So I finished that. Once I finish that one, I'm gonna pick one of those. But once I finish this, yes, I will rebuy that one from Milani because I really enjoy it. Cleansing oil. That was a big bottle and I bought it in the Japanese store, Don Quixote. Possible I could rebuy it online, but as of now I'm using another cleansing oil from DHC and I do like it. Estee Lauder Peptide Eye Cream. That was a small sample. I was using it because it has peptides which naturally occur in our skin. Will I repurchase? No, but if I did receive a sample, yes, I will use it up. And the last one was the Clinique Search Eye Gel, and I did have the face serum in the past. The one for the eyes, it wasn't bad. However, skin underneath my eyes, it's really dry. So no, it wasn't enough for me. I need something heavier, something more heavier duty. So no, I'm not gonna repurchase that. Those were all the items from the list. Let me know if you want me to do similar video, but maybe going back a little bit farther. And I see you next time. Bye.